but a little bit more spice, and this is amazing. This is going to melt. Hello everyone, welcome to Super Kitchen, and today I'm going to make the traditional beef bhuna. Yes, the beef curry. Here is the beef that I have taken. So around 1 kg beef, or you can say 1.2 kg. Yep. So this is the beef. Okay. So I'm going to cook it with all this onion, tomato, and some Asian spice, where I'm going to use cardamom and some red chili, and I'll be also adding 2 other types of chili. So one is this which is also known as Bulgarian chili, or also known as capsicum. So I'm going to use this, and also another type of chili which I already said, that pickled chili, because we don't get green chilies over here. So I got some green chili from Bangladesh and I kept it by making pickle out of it. Yeah. Here are all the chopped veggies and a little bit of spice that I need to kind of burn a little bit first. So I have prepared all this, and this is the first set, and now I'm going to prepare the second set of spices. 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of, actually a little bit more than 1 teaspoon paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic. I'm going to also use 1.5 teaspoon of ginger powder. So I'm using all the powders here. Garlic pepper salt. So this is garlic pepper salt. So 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, a little bit more actually. So this is my magical spice mix, and yep, stay tuned. For my second set of spice, I have taken curd, and I'm adding milk to it. So also I will be adding some sugar to it. So I will be adding 1 tablespoon of sugar. So this is my curd spice mix. Stay tuned to see how the beef will cook. So beef puna is ready. This is really yummy, people, and I did not add too much oil, but a little bit more spice, and this is amazing. This is going to melt in your mouth. So you can see it's really hot and steamy.